Welcome to the heart of the bio-industrial revolution, where ancient nature meets futuristic technology in a massive honeycomb sanctuary, glowing with the pulse of neon energy. Deep within this high-tech hive, tens of thousands of mechanical cocoons house the world's most efficient weavers, waiting for the command to break their long hibernation. The awakening sequence begins with the hiss of hydraulic valves as the first of the giant biological treasures prepares to emerge into the sterile factory air. A creature of immense proportions stirs, its car-sized frame uncurling as multifaceted eyes catch the ultraviolet glow, marking the start of a sophisticated biological harvest cycle. Micro-robotic systems descend with surgical precision, scanning the biological status of the arachnid to ensure optimal health before the delicate silk extraction process can finally commence. Real-time data flows through holographic displays, monitoring every heartbeat and chemical level as the system prepares to interface with the silk-producing organs of these giants. In a silent, perfectly synchronized dance, the conveyor system transports the awakened cocoons toward the central harvesting zone, where the transformation of nature into armor begins. Entering the sterile core of the facility, we witness the transition into Phase 2, where the raw essence of nature is distilled into a super material. Sapphire-tipped nanoneedles approach the silk glands, moving with a level of precision that exceeds human capability, ready to draw out the strongest fiber on the planet. The extraction begins as shimmering silver strands emerge, flowing like liquid mercury under the spotlights, possessing a tensile strength that defies traditional laws of modern physics. Thousands of individual fibers are gathered onto carbon fiber spindles, creating a mesmerizing visual blur as the raw silk is wound at incredible speeds for further processing. The rhythmic interlacing of these silver threads creates a satisfying geometric pattern, ensuring that every centimeter of silk is perfectly aligned for the upcoming molecular reinforcement. Pure liquid silk proteins flow through transparent glass conduits, guided by advanced sensors toward the cooling phase where their chemical structure will be locked into place. The cooling process is instantaneous, as a blast of liquid nitrogen mist solidifies the fibers, freezing their molecular arrangement to ensure absolute durability and extreme thermal resistance. Now hardened and resilient, the silk takes on a distinct metallic luster, moving seamlessly into the third phase of its evolution into the legendary nanosilk armor. The silk enters a chemical bath of liquid nanocarbon, a glowing green solution designed to bond with the organic fibers at a fundamental atomic level for reinforcement. Witness the incredible transformation as the fibers absorb the carbon molecules, turning from pure white to a dark, metallic charcoal that signifies their newfound indestructible nature. Advanced red laser grids scan every millimeter of the material, searching for even the smallest microscopic imperfections to ensure the final product is completely flawless and strong. Precision blue lasers incinerate any stray microfibers with surgical accuracy, refining the surface until it is perfectly uniform and ready for the final high-speed weaving process. The reinforced spools are collected and organized by robotic arms, moving with a mechanical efficiency that highlights the total automation of this incredible biological production line. Welcome to the Weaving Hall, a grand arena where hundreds of independent robotic arms operate like a perfectly conducted orchestra to create the ultimate defensive layer. Watch as the needle heads move at blinding speeds, stitching the nanosilk into a complex hexagonal honeycomb pattern that provides maximum strength with minimum weight. The armor begins to take shape, emerging onto a metallic mannequin as a flexible yet sturdy skin conforming perfectly to the contours of the human form. Layer upon layer of reinforced silk is carefully applied, creating a multi-dimensional texture that is soft to the touch but hard as diamond upon sudden physical impact. Thermal pressing units seal the layers together using intense heat and pressure to fuse the nanosilk into a single, cohesive unit of unparalleled defensive power. The finishing touches involve high-speed polishing, where sparks fly as the surface is refined to a sleek matte finish that reflects the armor's advanced technological origin. In the testing chamber, the true power of nanosilk is revealed as a metal slug is fired from an electromagnetic railgun at incredible supersonic velocities. The material stretches to its limit, absorbing the massive kinetic energy before snapping back and repelling the projectile, remaining completely unharmed and perfectly intact after the hit. Under the microscope, we see the fibers vibrating in a complex dance, dispersing the force of impact across the entire network to prevent any localized structural failure. A final protective polymer coating is applied, adding a layer of waterproof durability and a pearlescent sheen that makes the suit as beautiful as it is functional. Standing as a testament to biological engineering, the completed nanosilk suit rotates in the spotlight, a masterpiece of modern defense and high-tech aesthetic design. The intricate joints reveal the versatility of the weave, allowing for full range of motion while maintaining total protection in the most vulnerable areas of the body. This is more than just armor. It is a living shield that responds to touch, rippling with the grace of silk but hardening instantly when it senses danger. As the lights dim, the legacy of the giant weavers remains, carved into every fiber of this revolutionary suit that will redefine the future of human safety. From the depths of the mountain facility to the front lines of tomorrow, NanoSilk represents a new era where nature and machine exist in perfect harmony. Deep in the shadows, the silent workers remain, their glowing eyes a reminder of the raw biological power that makes this incredible technological feat possible today. From the initial awakening to the final polymer coat, every step is a precise movement in a grand design of safety, strength, and biological mastery. The mark of excellence is etched into the very soul of the armor, a symbol of the hard work and innovation that went into every single thread. Final diagnostics are completed with a level of care that ensures no suit leaves the facility without meeting the highest standards of the NanoSilk protocol. Packed and ready for deployment, the armor is sealed into its transport container, beginning its journey to protect those who face the world's greatest challenges. In this world, the weaver is king, looking down upon the mechanical servants that help translate its natural gift into a shield for all of humanity. Miles of conduits carry the lifeblood of this factory, a constant flow of liquid strength that never ceases, fueling the production of the world's finest armor. We ensure the well-being of our biological partners, maintaining a sustainable cycle that honors the natural world while pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Behold the NanoSilk armor, the ultimate fusion of spider silk and nanotechnology, designed for the warriors of the next century and beyond. NanoSilk. This is the new era of biological armor. Stronger than steel, lighter than air, and crafted by the masters of the natural world.